Very good morning, children. How do you do? Fine? Good. So be healthy and safe at home. Okay? Yes. So this is a grammar lesson. Okay? Grammar. So please go through grammar. Just watch the videos. Without watching the video, you can't understand. Because in class 40 minutes session, everything can't be said clearly, even though I'm saying, but due to some technical issues you may not understand. Okay, so often it may turn off or voice, it won't be clear also, so just watch the videos, you can understand clearly. Okay, so this is our lesson 8. Got it? So already I have we have seen the introduction also. Yeah, so introduction, explanation of lesson chapter 8 we have seen, and this is the explanation part, book exercise part. Okay, exercise part. So first important is you have to go through the introduction part, explanation part, so that the exercise part will be easy for you. Okay, so what is the lesson chapter 8? Articles A and D. Okay, so in basic worksheet we have seen this. I have taught you in basic worksheet itself. मैंने पढ़ाया था ना बेसिक वर्कशीट में, तो इट इज़ वेरी इजी फॉर यू. ओके, सी फर्स्ट डिविजन ए. सी ए, कंप्लीट दी सेंटेंसेस विथ अ एंड एन, अ और एन. ठीक है, सी ऑलरेडी आई हैव गिवन वेरी clearly the explanation in the introduction part itself, where we should use a and where you should use an. So please go through it. ठीक है, there is a nest on the tree, only one nest. We had an orange, a slice of bread. ठीक है, and a slice of bread. I hope this everything we have seen in the basic worksheet. ठीक है, orange, orange, an orange, vowel sound. A slice of bread, a single slice of bread. ठीक है, slice of bread मतलब piece of bread. We met a girl on the bridge. ठीक है, single girl, a girl on the bridge. She was wearing a uniform. For uniform मैंने बोला था ये consonant sound है. Uniform, uniform, this is a consonant sound, तो an won't come, a will come. ठीक है, for a parade. parade आपको मालूम है क्या? Like a marching. Okay, for a particular ceremony, or for a particular function, we used to form a parade and go. We used to march and go. That is called as parade. Okay, the hens were playing in an open field. Open field, vowel sound. An important piece of paper was found in the dustbin. bin मतलब dustbin मैंने explain किया था क्या, बेसिक वर्कशीट में मैंने explain किया था ये सब. it was in basic worksheet. ठीक है, an important, vowel sound है e, important. pull up a chair and sit near the bed. ठीक है, a chair, single chair, and consonant sound also. He was an honest man. Honest man, vowel sound. It was a dark night. A dark night, consonant sound. And a dangerous storm broke out. Dangerous, consonant sound. I need to send a letter. Consonant sound. A letter. Can you get me an envelope? Envelope, it is a sound of vowel. Okay, so if you understand and read, it is easy, so please understand and read. Yeah, next B. Complete these sentences with a, an, or the. Three of it. Okay, I think from this also in basic worksheet मैंने दिया था, हाँ ना. We went to the city where my mother was born. So mentioned where my mother was born, they have mentioned, तो already it is mentioning, इसलिए द will come. The river looked dangerous in the storm. ठीक है, see the river particularly mentioning in the storm. ठीक है, we have a meeting in the, ये सब मैंने पढ़ाया था इन बेसिक वर्कशीट में, तो बोलना मत कि आपको नहीं क्या यू कांट अंडरस्टैंड, नहीं, यू नो दिस, क्योंकि मैंने बेसिक वर्कशीट में पढ़ाया था. वी हैव अ मीटिंग इन द स्कूल. ठीक है, एक मीटिंग इन द स्कूल, वी यूज टू स्कूल वी वांट टू से. ठीक है, द clown dropped his hat and a boy in the crowd picked it up. clown मतलब जोकर. ठीक है, सो द जोकर dropped his hat मतलब मैंने पहले ही बोला था कैप, and a boy, single boy. ठीक है, in the crowd, more crowd was there, so particularly they are mentioning the crowd. ठीक है, crowd मतलब more people. picked मतलब you know ना क्या है picked, टेक. ठीक है, फ्रॉम नीचे उसने लिया था, ही टुक फ्रॉम डाउन. द हैट वॉज वेयरिंग अ रेड बो. ठीक है, द कैट पर्टिकुलर मेंशनिंग द कैट वॉज wearing a red cat because here about the cat they are saying, so the cat. ठीक है, हेमंत इज द बेस्ट प्लेयर इन द टीम, ये भी मैंने पढ़ाया था. द बेस्ट प्लेयर सुपरलेटिव द विल कम एंड पर्टिकुलरली इन द टीम. शी मेड अ प्रॉमिस विल कम, द प्रॉमिस नहीं, अ प्रॉमिस दैट शी विल कम फॉर द फंक्शन, पर्टिकुलर फंक्शन, दैट्स वाई द फंक्शन. अ फंक्शन वी नेवर से. ठीक है, we have planned a trip in the last week of Monday. a trip, एक trip. ठीक है, in the last week of May, particularly saying, that's why we saw the moon. ये भी मैंने बोला था, moon, the cloud, so the should come here, universal. the king had an umbrella मैंने बोला था, umbrella, what is that vowel sound, इसलिए and the king. ठीक है, because they are talking about the king. see, umbrella made of silk. okay, he had. Session C, this is very easy. see, complete these sentences with a or an, put a cross mark. ये wrong. ठीक है, where either do not apply, so where we no need to use, no, that you can apply this cross mark. see, we played a match against the school last Friday. कुछ भी नहीं, यहाँ you should not write anything, that's why. ठीक है, a match, we played a match. the purse is made of colorful cloth. कुछ नहीं, you should not write anything, कुछ नहीं आएगा. ठीक है, तो द पर्स इज मेड ऑफ कलरफुल क्लॉथ एंड हैज अ tassel stitch to it. ठीक है, हैज अ tassel stitch to it. tassel मतलब for decoration purpose we will use, no, thread, like hanging thread, like you can see in especially girls, ladies, girls है ना, तो girls के ड्रेस कपड़े में you can see it. ठीक है, for decoration purpose, like hanging thread, like hanging, it will be more like fashion. ठीक है, वो stitch, it is stitched, तो tassel will come. ठीक है, a tassel. That is because single only, yes didn't come, no, that's why singular, तो a will come. That is a pencil and eraser. see, consonant sound, vowel sound, a compass, consonant sound. ठीक है, she bought an expensive, vowel sound, an expensive watch for her father. एक्सपेंसिव मैंने पहले ही बताया था, व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ एक्सपेंसिव, कॉस्टली. ठीक है, द स्टूडेंट्स एट लंच ड्यूरिंग द इंटरवल. कुछ नहीं आएगा, लंच, जस्ट लंच. some things are that where articles won't come, तो यहाँ articles won't come, नहीं आएगा, ठीक है. She has a new pen, consonant sound, and an old notebook, vowel sound, ठीक है. old notebook. Tanya is sitting under a tree, ठीक है. a tree, single tree and consonant sound, t. This chair is made of wood, that's all, कुछ भी नहीं आएगा, no vowels, ठीक है. made of wood. Trisha has a wooden horse, ठीक है. consonant sound, a wooden. This is a knife used to cut leather, कुछ नहीं आएगा यहाँ, ठीक है. leather. a knife, single knife, ठीक है. This is very easy. Complete these sentences with a, an or the, or put a cross where it is not capable. Same thing, where it is necessary you can write, not necessary नहीं आएगा तो cross करना है. bread, कुछ नहीं आएगा, ठीक है. bread, the bread नहीं, ठीक है. bread is cheap, the bread in our shop tastes good, ठीक है. in our shop it is good, taste अच्छा है. लाइफ, कुछ नहीं आएगा यहाँ. लाइफ इन जनरल इज वेरी शॉर्ट. द लाइफ ऑफ अ मस्कीटो शॉर्टर, क्या यहाँ कुछ नहीं आएगा. लेकिन दिस लाइफ इज रिपीटेड, नो, तो व्हेन वी आर रिपीटिंग द विल कम, ठीक है. सो द लाइफ ऑफ अ मस्कीटो, एक मस्कीटो दे हैव गिवन इन सिंगुलर, दैट्स व्हाई of a mosquito is shorter, ठीक है. इसलिए यह बिकॉज सिंगुलर. वी आर अगेंस्ट वॉर, कुछ नहीं आएगा, वॉर. द बिकॉज ऑल, यहाँ वॉर हमने बोला और फिर अगेन वी आर रिपीटिंग, दैट्स वाई द. मैंने पहले ही बोला था कहाँ रिपीटिंग होता तो वहाँ द विल कम. सो द 2 world wars have done enough dangerous, तो क्या हुआ, वर्ल्ड वॉर, नो. सो 2 world war happened, so it damaged many things, बहुत डैमेज किया. कुछ नहीं आएगा. मिल्क इज गुड फॉर चिल्ड्रन, सो अगेन रिपीटिंग. द मिल्क गेट फ्रॉम द डायरी इज rather एक्सपेंसिव. मिल्क मतलब दिस डायरी प्रोडक्ट, नो, दिस मिल्क प्रोडक्ट्स, सो वो एक्सपेंसिव है, कॉस्टली है, ठीक है. an Englishman, English will come, it is a vowel sound, ठीक है. an Englishman, a Russian, ठीक है. Russian, consonant sound. meet a party, met है ये, ठीक है. met means past tense of meet. met at a party, एक party. the, see repeated, no, that's why the will come. मैंने बोला था ना repeat होगा तो the will come. the Englishman did not speak, K is missing, ठीक है. speak Russian and the Russian did not know English. यहाँ लैंग्वेज हम बोल रहे हैं ना, तो यहाँ लैंग्वेज तो कुछ नहीं आएगा. लेकिन यहाँ इंग्लिश मैन हम बोल रहे हैं इसलिए एन इंग्लिश मैन. लेकिन यहाँ इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज बोल रहे हैं इसलिए कुछ नहीं आएगा. तो द रशियन, ये रशियन यहाँ ऑलरेडी हमने यूज़ किया, फिर रिपीट हो रहा तो इसलिए द, ठीक है. तो इफ़ यू अंडरस्टैंड मतलब इट इज़ वेरी सिंपल एंड ईजी, नथिंग टू वरी. रीराइट दीज सेंटेंसेस यूजिंग द वेयर नेसेसरी. ये सुपर एक्सीलेंट है. जस्ट यू हैव टू रीड द सेंटेंस एंड यू हैव टू अप्लाई द वेर एवर इट इज़ नेसेसरी. द अप्लाई करना है. सो फर्स्ट रीड, ठीक है. Mediterranean Sea separates Europe from Asia. The Mediterranean Sea, ठीक है. because particularly we are mentioning about the Mediterranean Sea and it is a consonant sound, इसलिए the Mediterranean Sea separates Europe from Asia. Got it? Alps, Europe's greatest mountain range, is over 1000 kilometers long. सी द एल्प्स, ठीक है। द एल्प्स यूरोप्स greatest mountain range is over 1000 kilometers long. They were sailing down Ganga's, watching sky and moon. So sailing मैंने बोला था ना पहले, sailing मतलब traveling in sea. So they were sailing down the Gangas. मैंने पहले ही बोला था when I have given the instruction for the basic worksheet where the should be used. So reversal the we should use. The Gangas watching the sky, the moon, everything मैंने बोला था ना. Universe and single only, that's why unique things we have to use the for the unique things. Lion is king of jungle, ठीक है. Lion is king of jungle, आपको मालूम है ना, फॉरेस्ट जंगल. सो द लायन, पर्टिकुलरली हम लायन बात कर रहे हैं तो द लायन इज द, ठीक है, द किंग ऑफ द जंगल. गॉट इट. Indian Ocean links 3 continents, Asia, Africa and Australia. See the Indian Ocean, particularly they are mentioning, इसलिए the Indian Ocean links 3, oh my god sorry 3 मैंने 2 बार रिपीट किया, so please only one time, okay. 3 Asian continents, Asia, Africa and Australia, ठीक है. तो particularly we are mentioning, that's why the Indian Ocean. Got it. My sister lives in USA, तो my sister lives in the USA. This no the India we won't say, लेकिन the United States of America, the USA will come, ठीक है. We took Azad Hind Express to Pune. We took the Azad, particularly they are mentioning no train, इसलिए the Azad Hind Express to Pune, ठीक है. particularly if they are mentioning मतलब the should come. The weather became cooler when sun went down. So the weather became cooler when the sun went down. मैंने पहले बोला था sun, unique things, the will come. Teacher asked a question to students. The teacher, ठीक है. particularly they are mentioning तो क्या हुआ, the will come no. The teacher asked a question to the students, ठीक है. सी पिक्चर भी यहाँ है, तो the teacher, the students. Got it. Rupali was still outside when rain started, ठीक है. Rupali name, so before the name, before the proper noun मैंने क्या बोला, कुछ नहीं आएगा, नो आर्टिकल्स won't come, इसलिए रूपाली was still outside when the rain started. rain आपको मालूम है ना, बारिश, तो when the rain started. Pacific Ocean is largest ocean in the world. sorry या हाँ करेक्ट है, in the world, तो particularly mentioning है ना, that's why the Pacific Ocean, ठीक है. मैंने पहले ही बोला था particularly mentioning and repeated, if they are repeating मतलब the will come, इसलिए the Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean in the world, ठीक है. the largest यहाँ क्या है, सुपरलेटिव डिग्री है ना, मैंने बोला था सुपरलेटिव डिग्री के पहला the will come, इसलिए the largest, the longest, the shortest, ठीक है. Electricity went off as soon as it began thundering. The electricity, ठीक है. The electricity went off as soon as it began thundering. Thundering मालूम है, when it rains no, some sound will come, पड़ा 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 sound will come no, तो वो thundering होता है, ठीक है. when rain comes sound will come, पटा 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 पटा, that is called as thundering. and lightning will come no, lightning मालूम है क्या, in the sky some light will come no, वो lightning है, ठीक है. इंग्लिश में वो lightning, and thundering वो sound thundering है. when rain comes, बारिश होता है ना, कब, तब, ठीक है। तो द इलेक्ट्रिसिटी particularly mentioning electricity went off, current, electricity मतलब current है, तो current went off, electricity went off. Got it? Yeah, so it is very easy. You have to just read the book also. And one more thing very important है, while you are writing in book no, handwriting should be neat. ठीक है, समझ में आना चाहिए. Simply you should not scribble. Handwriting should be very neat while you are writing in the book. ठीक है, sharp your pencil and write. Got it? Yeah. So just go through this and have a reading habit. Reading habit is very good. ठीक है, so have a reading habit. Listen to the video and just read the book also. And further, if you have any doubt, मतलब while in online class I will teach you. Okay, everything I'm teaching you, so while teaching you can ask doubts. ठीक है, take care, bye bye, be safe at home. Thank you.